Hi guys, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela WebDev. In this video, we will try to learn about this Angular HTTP testing controller to handle more than one request and all those things. We'll try to see how we can do it. So normally, first scenario what we will try to do it is handling more than one request once. So if you want to handle more than one request at once means in tests normally what you will try to do it is. So here I will try to explain you before writing a simple example for this one. So in tests, if you expect multiple requests with the same criteria, example multiple get requests, you can use the match API instead of the expect one. So match returns an array of matching requests. After calling match, the return requests are removed from the future matching. So you must manually handle flushing and verifying the requests. So I will try to do it. So that means this match thing we can use it if you are using the multiple requests. So then it will return an array of matching requests. After calling the match, the returned requests are removed from future matching. You must manually handle the flushing and verifying the requests. I will try to show you regarding this one. So for this, what we can do it is, so describe what I can do is HTTP client handle multiple requests. So this is the request which I want to follow. So here what I can do, so we will be having let HTTP testing, which is of type HTTP testing controller, and the another one which you can have it is the HTTP client. So here I will be using the HTTP client, which is of type HTTP client. So here I will be making the request HTTP client. So this could be imported from the HTTP Angular common HTTP. So here I will be importing this one. So now this one will be HTTP client. Now here what I will be trying to do it. So we can use the before each. Okay, so before each, and in this before each, so we can use the testbed dot configure the testing module, and in this one what you need to provide, the providers, and in this providers, so you need to use provide HTTP client, and you need to provide HTTP client testing. So these two are the things you need to provide. And after finishing this one, so here HTTP testing is equal to testbed dot inject. So we need to inject the HTTP testing controller, and another one is HTTP client. You need to get the HTTP client is equal to testbed dot inject of HTTP client. That's it. So these are the things which you will be trying to do it. So now up to here it is finished. So now after each, so you can use this after each, so that we can check that no request will be made. So now here I can write something like HTTP testing dot verify. That's it. So now we have used this verify also. Now what we need to do here, we need to make the multiple calls. So here it should handle multiple get requests. So this is the method which I would be trying to call it. Now for this one what I would be trying to do it is, so for handling the multiple get requests, so here I can write something like HTTP client dot get of /API /data1, and I can subscribe to this one. Okay, and the another one is, so you can call again, another one is /data2, and you can subscribe to this one, and again I can call data3 and subscribe to this one. So we are trying to make it sending multiple get requests. So here what I can do here, so constant all get requests, so I can check it. So here you can use HTTP testing dot match. So we need to use the match, and here we will be checking all the requests and all those things are get requests or not. Okay, so this is the thing which you will be trying to do, get requests or not. Now I will try to do, so here all get requests, expect all get requests dot, so here you will be able to see dot length to be 3. So it has made 3 requests, right? So we can check it like this. And also if you try to test it, so here we are able to generate this one, and here if you try to test this one, Let us see. So here you will be able to see the HTTP client handle multiple requests. So here you will be able to see should handle multiple GET requests got true. So now that means we are able to successfully, we can able to see that 3 requests has been made. And if you want to flush the data means, so we need to flush it each. So if you want to send the mock data means, so you need to send each one by one. All GET requests of 0 dot flush of, so here you can use data response for /API/data1. So like this you can use it. So now for second one, if you want to do it means for 1, and for second one means for 2. So like this, if you want to send the data means, so you will be sending it like this. So in this way we can handle the multiple requests. So if you are trying to handle the multiple requests means, we can do it. In our previous video what we have did it, so we have checked the HTTP client using the promise, right? So we can also use it with the subscribe also. For example, let's say that we are having a hero service. Let's try to take the hero service, right? And here I can get the hero service is equal to testbed dot inject of hero service. So now we got the hero service, and here if you want to check it, it should call the HTTP request. So here what I can do, so hero service dot get heroes. So we are calling to this one and we are subscribing to this one. That's it. Okay, so I have subscribed to this one. So now I need to make the request, right? So here I can do constant request is equal to HttpTesting dot expect 1 of get request. So we can able to see that we are able to call the get request or not. So now we can able to get the request, and here expect 1 of /API/heroes. So this is the URL we need to check it, and here I can check it expect of request dot method dot to be get request. So you can check it like this. So this one also, it will also becomes true. So here you will be able to see this one also becomes true. So hopefully if I have tried to check it, so this one also should call the HTTP request, this one also call true. Previously we used to convert this one to the promise using the first value from, and if you want to send the data means constant data is equal to, here I can do ID1 and the name of type A. Okay, and here I can do request dot flush of data. So we are sending the data, and here you will be able to get the heroes data, and here you can check expect of heroes dot to equal of data. So you can check it like this also. Now this is also well and fine. So now if you try to check the output, so it will work fine without any problem. So like this also, if you want to check it, so you can check it like this also. So it's not a problem. So this is also one way, or otherwise you can, instead of subscribing that one, you can convert it into a promise and you can check it. So this is how we will be handling the multiple GET requests using the provide HTTP clienting test module. So hope you understood about this concept. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.